Jeep just added a new package to the Gladiator lineup. The new NightHawk package adds black appearance and off-road capability to the 2024 Gladiator Sport. So it starts off as a 2024 Jeep Gladiator Sport. Let's just look over the Jeep itself and see what we can see. We're gonna start at the front. Obviously it's a 24, so you get that new grille. And this is gonna have black accents on it. Moving down to the front bumper, you get the plastic bumper, and then it looks like it has gloss black inserts around the fog lights. And it looks like it has black tow hooks and LED fog lights. Jumping back up to the front grille, it looks like it also has LED headlights on the Sport model. Moving along the side, you see that it has 20-inch black gloss wheels, painted fenders. It looks like you get the Rubicon rails instead of a side step on this one. If you look close at the door handles, it looks like it has proximity sensors. Then moving up to the top of the Jeep, it looks like you get a paint to match top. What I can tell from the back shot is it looks like it also has LED taillights. Also gonna get an anti-slip differential in the rear axle. So you get some nice options with this one. So from what I can see is that it's gonna come in colors Anvil, Firecracker Red, Granite Crystal, Silver Zenith, Hydro Blue, Bright White, and Black. You can order it right now. They're gonna make 2,000 of these, so it's limited quantities. And it has the MSRP of $43,190. If you wanna order one of these NightHawk Edition Gladiators, head down to your dealership. Orders are open right now. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.